Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Devin and thank you for coming to visit. And this video is going to be really quick. All I'm going to do is show you how I usually get my puffs, and I'm feeling a little bang today, so I'm going to show you how I do that and as well as refresh the curls in the front. I'm going to start by sectioning a small portion of my hair from my bangs. Next, we're going to get to the rest of my hair, and I'm going to start by spraying it with some warm water. Next, I'm going to gather all my hair at the top of my head. At this point, this is when I'm going to go in with my good old Wetline Extreme Gel. I'm going to use that to sleek everything upward. Alright, after I had my hair up, I just secured it with a soft hair tie that was on my wrist. And now I'm going to shape out my puff. Alright, so now that my hair is all up how I like it, I'm just going to take a scarf. I'm going to tie everything down just so it doesn't move. And I'm going to make sure to leave my bang coming forward. Alright, now we're going to get into my bang. I'm going to refresh these curls in the front, and all I'm going to do, since the section is so small, I'm just going to break the hair in half. I'm going to clip this side back, and we'll deal with it in a second. Alright, and all I do to refresh my hair is I basically just repeat whatever I did for my wash and go that week, just so I don't have any flaking or conflicting of product. So I'm going to get some warm water again and really dampen this whole section. So now that my hair is nice and wet, I'm going to go with my first product, which is going to be the Curls Unleashed Curl Boosting Jelly. Then I'm going to go back in with my Wetline Extreme, and I'm going to just freeze that all in place. Next, I'm going to repeat that to the other section. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to diffuse. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I decided to keep the scarf on. I think it's really cute. I like scarves with puffs. I think that's a good little combination. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.